Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Jamaluddin. Today I will talk about CAD/CAM, what the meaning of it, the use of it, and many more. What is CAD/CAM? CAD is computer-aided design. It is involved in creating computer models defined by geometrical parameters. This model typically appears on a computer monitor as a three-dimensional representation of a part or a system of parts, which can be readily altered by changing relevant parameters. CAD systems enable designers to view objects under a wide variety of representations and to test these objects by simulating real-world conditions. CAM stands for Computer-Aided Manufacturing. It is used geometrical design data to control automated machinery. CAM systems are associated with Computer Numerical Control (CNC) or Direct Numerical Control (DNC) system. This system differs from older forms of numerical control in that geometrical data are encoded mechanically, since both CAD and CAM use computer-based methods for encoding geometrical data. It is possible for the process of design and manufacture to be highly integrated. Computer-aided design and manufacturing systems are commonly referred to as CAD/CAM. CAD had its origin in three separate sources, which also serve to highlight the basic operation that CAD systems provide. The first source of CAD resulted from attempts to automate the drafting process. These developments were pioneered by the General Motors Research Laboratories in the early 1960s. One of the important time-saving advantages of computer modeling over traditional drafting methods is that the former can be quickly corrected or manipulated by changing models' parameters. The second source of CAD was in the testing design by simulation. The use of computer modeling to test products were pioneered by high-tech industries like aerospace and semiconductors. The third source of CAD development resulted from efforts to facilitate the flow from the design process to the manufacturing process using numerical control technology, which enjoyed widespread use in many applications by the mid-1960s. It was this source that resulted in the linkage between CAD and CAM. One of the most important trends in CAD/CAM technologies is the ever tighter integration between the design manufacturing stage of CAD/CAM based production process. Process of CAD. There are two types of activity, synthesis and analysis. Synthesis is largely qualitative and hard to capture on computer. Analysis can be greatly enhanced with computers. Once its analysis is complete, design evaluation, rapid prototyping, software package for design optimization. Process of CAM. Product is conceived by engineers. Product is designed by CAD software. CAD data is transferred to manufacturing machine's memory. Machine use the CAD data to produce product with little human intervention. Difference between CAD and CAM. Many people are puzzled about the difference between CAD and CAM software. CAD is concerned with only the creation of a design. This design may later be fed into computer-aided machines to create manufactured products through the use of CAM program. CAM tools differ from CAD tools. For CAD, only a computer and CAD software are required for a technician or graphic artist to create a design. CAM machines include a computer and often a CAM software package, but in addition, the manufacturing process requires a CAM machine. This is a 3 or 5-axis control machining center compatible high-end, high-speed engine or machine. Advantage of CAD/CAM. The first is software flexibility. CAD software enables design change to be made rapidly. Before CAD, a particular design change would have required a draft person to completely redraw the design to the new specification. CAD software allows to designer to tinker with design and make small change on the fly, which is one of the advantage of CAD in textile. The second is design flexibility. Another advantage of CAD/CAM is rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping allows designers to construct physical prototype during the design process. This physical prototype can be used to test various aspects of design. For example, if the goal is to design steel object, then a prototype can be made out of transparent acrylic. The third is automatic specification checking. Using CAD software, it is enabled the designer to automatically check if the design is within specification. CAD software also enable client to view design at an early stage in the design process than is usually the case. CAM also enable client to check the progress of functional and semi-functional prototypes at a much earlier stage than is possible in the traditional design process. Disadvantage of CAD/CAM. The first is processing power limitation. CAD software often consume large amount of computer processing power. This require high quality computer hardware that can be costly. CAM require advanced manufacturing device that are also pricey. The high cost of hardware is significant disadvantage of CAD/CAM and a major barrier to the wider uptake of this technology. The second is software complexity. As CAD software advances, it becomes more flexible and adaptable. However, this comes at the cost of making the software more complex. This complexity makes it more difficult for first-time users to learn the software. Combined with the cost of training personnel in CAD/CAM technologies, this complexity represents another disadvantage of CAD/CAM. The third is maintenance and upkeep. The computer and device need for CAD/CAM need to be maintained, which can be a drain on available resource. If the computer or device breaks down, that leads to expensive downtime, which is frustrating for everyone involved. Keeping to a preventative maintenance schedule can help, but sometimes breakdowns are inevitable, which make it a disadvantage. Conclusion. The first is alternative to older mainframe and workstation-based system. The second is it is faster and more complex software could be run on Unix. The third is standardization of software, and the last is hologram technology in CAD/CAM.